Hello everybody, this is ThesSwedishTraveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. Filming this with my cell phone, or got my camera earlier this morning, so I pre-opened it a little bit. So yeah, it's kind of rough to open it all up with just one hand, but here it is. Tape is weird in that sense. I don't know how they managed to do all this. Like the inside is sorry about that, sorry for my thumb. Cut through here. For God's sakes. But yeah, I think we'll probably show it a little bit better. So give me a second. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Finally, after a couple of tries. So didn't cost that much. Cables and everything. Wall mounted charger. Two. It's in a bag. What's in it? Would be hilarious if I managed to break it while trying to get it out with one hand. That's how it looks like, and will probably be great for vlogging and stuff. And I will, of course, try it out for myself. So yeah, thank you for watching.